Hello and welcome to the bathroom, guys. Tonight I'm gonna review this soap. It's a 1 ounce sample or 30 gram sample from Lather Bros Miami Mojito. It's their way to present the cocktail Mojito, I guess. I have not ever drank any Mojito because I'm not a cocktail man. I'm a whiskey man and bourbon lover, so the scent of this one, it's says here, it's mint, basil and lime, but when you smell this, it's a quite prominent scent of basil. It's above medium in scent strength, actually. It's like a crope, fairly soft soap. I can't say that this is up my alley, really, this scent. I'm not much for these herbal scents at all. But the good thing with this soap, it contains a lot of good things for the skin. So there will be no balm needed at all after this shave. It's a lot of oils. There's a coconut oil, almond oil, shea butter and clay in this soap. No nasty chemicals at all, no additives, nothing. So this will be hopefully a very good shave. I will go with the Feather today, with the Feather Professional Super Blade. It's a blade that seems to suit me quite good. I will do this a little bit different today. I will not talk or yap when I shave with this one. I will be quiet and I will fast forward this part. And at the end I'm gonna do something I saw Jeffrey Smith do. He had some problem spots, as we all have, and that he can't reach with the Shabbat. So and the same have I. I have on my neck here, my hair grows like this in both directions, and it's no way it's possible to go in with the Shabbat here like this, because then I would cut my throat, and I want to be around for a while more, so I'm not gonna do that. So I will go with a Merkur 34C, a shaver I have not used for a very long time. And in there I have a Bosco blade. I don't use this anymore because it's too mild. It doesn't give me any good shaves, but I just felt to try it today to finish up on my neck. Well, enough yapping here. I'm gonna soak my brush, my synthetic Muhle Silvertip, and I will flick it out. So it's only damp, and I will do a face lather. It's fairly big, this sample, so actually I wish no soap was bigger than 1 ounce or 30 grams, because in that way the soaps would be more affordable for everyone, and you could afford to buy a lot more soaps to try and enjoy. Because face it, 4 ounce soap, 150 gram soap, they last forever. Especially if you do the dry method when you load the brush, like I do here, and you don't bloom the soap. I think I loaded it enough now. You have a lot of soap here. It's Friday night and I'm damn tired after work week here, so I'm just gonna have a shave and then relax with a big whiskey in front of the TV. I think I'll go with the Blantons today, Scotch single malt whiskey. The 12-year-old one. It's not Blanton's, what a stupid fool I am. Blanton's is a bourbon, I have that too. I mean, I will go with a Glangiri 12-year-old Scotch whiskey tonight. I have the Blanton's Gold edition here, very, very good bourbon. One of the best I had. If it's price worthy, I don't know, because it's rather expensive, but the most price worthy bourbon I had was the Four Roses small batch. Very good whiskey for the price. Four Roses in general are very bad bourbon, but that small batch is really a good one. Takes a lot of water, this. I have not tried this soap before at all. For me, clay soaps can get the good slickness first on the second path. That's why I'm gonna go in very, very moisturized lather here today. I hope you all are well now when it's weekend, that you can have a relaxing weekend. I think I'm quite happy, so. A little bit of the scent is gone, I think, or I maybe got used to it. It doesn't disturb me. This strong scent of basil. Okay. I have 2 days ago. You know what? I'm gonna do the second pass with the Merkle. It's a very nice glide on this soap, and it feels great on the face. No irritation or nothing. And when I put water on now, the residual slickness is enormous. I guess it's the clay and the shea butter and the oils here. This will be exciting. It was a long time since I used this one. Nice. So this is another across the grain on my neck, more or less. It was not much left there actually. Or this razor can't, well, I have left here, but this razor is unable to get it because it's a mild razor. Okay, third pass. A little bit different against the grain here. The neck. I know I'm back here, I have a trouble spots also. It's an enormous residual slickness on this soap, believe me. Fantastic. And it's not dissipating either, like the incredible Williams did. That soap was a joke. It's not a shaving soap. It's a shame to be called a shaving soap. My hand soap has the same glide on my face and creates no lather also. But actually it was not the worst soap I tried, the Williams. I had a Muhle soap, British firm. That was even worse. It had no glide, no slickness, no nothing, and dissipating lather as well. And what was the other soap? I must think. I had one bad soap. So, well, I forgot now. But I heard that Muhle do very good soaps. So I suspect it was something wrong with that batch I got, maybe. Yeah, the other soap that was incredible bad, worse than Williams, was Castle Forbes Sandalwood. Also thin lather with no slickness. So they were actually worse. And 20 times more expensive, so. So William is not the worst soap I tried so far. Actually, the third worst so far. But this one is extremely good soap. Very, very good. I think it cost around $15 for 4 ounces. And it's worth it, absolutely. With this recipe, the scents you can choose yourself from the website. You see, there is no problem to shave with just water because the slickness is enormous. I'm happy so. I had a very close and nice shave now. I have a little bit here and there, actually I'm not so close. Here. Let's do some buffing here. Much better. Okay, I'm gonna rinse and I'll be back with the conclusion. And remember, the conclusions and what I think about everything I do here, I always write in the description below, so you can always check that out. If you don't understand what I'm saying, or if you don't understand my yapping, so you can go there and check it out. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. So, back with the conclusions of this soap. I'm not gonna use any aftershave at all, because I have this nice oil layer on my skin now, and there are so many good things in this soap that will nourish and soothing my skin, so I will not interfere with that. Miami Mojito, very, very good soap, fantastic lather qualities all the way, easy to lather, extremely good glide and slickness of this soap. Very, very good, fantastic. And the scent strength, right off the container here, it's over medium, but during the shave I felt it disappeared. The scent, it's not very prominent at all. above medium actually when you shave with it, and the basil tones down and doesn't bother me at all. Right from the container I don't like this basil, it's too strong, but during the shave it was quite okay. I didn't even notice it, so that's a good thing about this soap. But I have of course any scent you want, so just check them out. Very nice soap indeed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a nice weekend everyone. Take care. Bye bye.